Well, I'm Joe, Fleet Manager for Silt Truck Transport. Today we're going to go over coupling and uncoupling the trailer. Let's tag along for the ride. Remember, it's not a race who's the fastest one that can hook up. You're racing to do it, some mistakes happen. Mistakes are expensive. I usually try to line up my drive tires just inside the outside of the trailer. Straight as possible you can with it. It's the best way. Once you get about your first axle underneath, stop, switch brakes, lower suspension as well. Get out and check, make sure you're lined up properly. If you're at a good height, trailer height doesn't need to be adjusted, you can go underneath, look your kingpin, make sure it's hooked up going into the jaws. Everything looks good in this particular moment, so we can continue on back and under. Release brakes, back up underneath it. Right a little further under from there. Lift your air suspension back up. You'll see the trailer lift up a little bit. And you're doing pretty good. You're lined up. Oh, under it rather. From there, finish backing up underneath it. You'll hear it click, and you're good. From there, you're gonna want to do a tug test. Make sure you're locked in. And we're good there. From here, we'll get out, hook up our air lines, and raise land gear and do a good PTI on trailer and truck again. Alright, now let's disconnect this here trailer. Alright, get your handle out of the lock. Put her back in lock position. Disconnect your air lines, put them back in the holders. Saves you from having to worry about them getting wrapped up in your drive shaft. Alright, from here we're going to go up in the truck. This truck particularly has some bougie features to it. It has an air release kingpin. Now to release that, push up on this tab and push in. You hear a clunk come from back, your kingpin's released. Drop your airbags, release your truck brakes, give it a few seconds for everything to settle out. Put it in gear and slowly creep away. Until you get away, and from there, you want to raise your suspension back up, that way you don't have any driveline issues. And there you go, that's how you do it. Thanks for tagging along, this was a good time.